What's going on, RESHOEVN8R Nation? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Johnny Bubbles. In today's episode of Shoe Care Academy, I'm gonna be cleaning up these Yeezy 350 green glows that are definitely not glowing anymore. Pretty boy Rob did rock these. I know he goes to a bunch of shows all over the country, sneaker cons. He probably took, I think he took these to Denver. Guess it's muddy out there. I don't really know, but these are trash. But you already know I'm gonna be cleaning these up using RESHOEVN8R's Deep Clean Signature Bundle, which you can actually buy for 10% off by simple clicking the link in the description below or click the little card right here and use my promo code, which automatically applies at checkout. So without further ado, let's get bubbly. We're gonna start off with the right shoe and put the left one aside. We're gonna go ahead and grab our adjustable shoe tree, insert it into the shoe. These are size 9, so I think it's about the middle here. Let's see. Perfect. And now we're gonna remove the laces. Now that the laces are removed, it's time to grab our solution and pour a couple squirts into our bowl of water here. Now before I start scrubbing the shoe, I am gonna dry brush it with the soft brush and get all the excess dirt off. The dry brush is all complete. Now it's time to get the shoes wet. We're gonna use that same soft bristle brush, dip it into our bowl of water and solution. All right, I am all done using the soft brush on the entire uppers. Now I'm not gonna waste time patting it dry with our microfiber towel because the shoe is gonna be going in the wash. So I'm gonna go ahead and just move on to the midsole with the medium brush. Now I am a big fan of this shoe right here. Miguel, 350s were really hot at one point. These are 350 V2s. They were still hot. To me, they're still a hot shoe. They kind of died out though past, I would say, year maybe. What are your thoughts on that? Do you think they really died, or you think they're just kind of, you know, dunks are just kind of running it right now?
I think they're still here. I definitely think it's up to the user and what their style is. Personally, I wish they would release the first 350 colorways in the V2 version.
Well, I heard they're gonna come back. Oh, wow, in the V2 version with the midsole and the woven material different, but the colorways, yes. That's actually really cool. Well, I did hear that they're gonna bring back the turtle doves, the original, but I never thought of V2s coming out in the OG colorways. That's actually a really dope idea.
I think it'd be fire.
I actually really like your input on that. That is great. But I want to know your guys' thoughts. Leave me a comment. How do you guys feel about 350s? Are they still hot? Are they not? Are they here? Are they gone? Like, what are your guys' thoughts? I am a big fan of glow-in-the-dark, guys. Glow-in-the-dark sneakers and iridescent shoes are like two of my favorite things. So this shoe right here, I definitely need in my collection. However, I think resale is going a little too high for these. I think they're somewhere around like 700 in my size. I'm not gonna pay 700 for a 350. I just can't do it. But if a size 12 comes out and it's for a good price, maybe I'll pull the trigger. But I am a big fan of glow in the dark. So let's go ahead and clean up this midsole and outsole with the stiff brush as well to get this glow back to shining. Whew, Miguel, check these out. There you go, guys. The midsole is looking nice and clean. I'm pretty sure you would be able to see the glow if the lights were off. but since the lights are on, we can't see it. Now it's time for me to go ahead and attack these outsoles with the stiff brush, and then we'll grab our laundry bag and put the shoes in the wash. Action. There you go, guys. I am done using the stiff brush on the entire outsole. Go ahead and check it out. It's definitely looking a lot better, but I'm excited to put these in the wash. So we're gonna grab our laundry bag here, open it up, slide them in. You wanna make sure you lock them down so they don't come out of the bag during the wash cycle. Bolt straps. And one last step before we put these in the wash, we got to dip these laces into our bowl of water and solution mixture. Quick scrub. Grab our laces and just put them in the pouch here. Now, anytime you put shoes in the wash, you wanna make sure you use normal cycle and cold water. Once it's done washing, you wanna leave them outside to dry or put them near a fan so they dry evenly. For this case, we're gonna put them outside once they're done drying. I'll see you guys in just a bit. All right, guys, we are back. I went ahead and let the shoe dry for a few hours, and as you can see, oh my Yeezys, these cleaned up amazing. Robert, how's this clean, bro?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Now, I do want to point out that there are a little bit of glue stains here, which tends to happen on 350s for some reason. It looks like dirt, but it's not. It's actually glue stains, a little bit along the line here. And you can see it more on this toe box. Want to get that for them real quick? Boom. But other than that, man, I'm really impressed with this cleaning. They definitely cleaned up nice, and I'm sure the glow on these will go even harder now that they're clean. Just to recap, guys, I was able to achieve these results using RESHOEVN8R's Deep Clean Signature Bundle. What I went ahead and did is use a soft brush on the entire uppers, medium brush on the midsole, and stiff brush on the outsole. Then we went ahead and put them in the washer, normal cycle, cold water, you already know. Then I left them outside to dry, and luckily I'm in Arizona and it's hot, so these dried up pretty quickly. I would say all it took was a lunch. We went to First Watch, got some waffles. Smack, if you guys haven't been there, try it out. Not a sponsored plug, by the way. Yeah, and now we're here, laced up, looking nice and clean. Remember, guys, you can save 10% off by using my link in the description below, or just clicking on the card right here. Automatic discount code was applied at checkout. But that's gonna wrap it up for today's video, guys. If you liked it, make sure you hit that like button, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I'm Johnny Bubbles, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the future. Peace.